Deer, family Cervidae, any of 43 species of hoofed ruminants in the order Artiodactyla, notable for having 2 large and 2 small hooves on each foot and also for having antlers in the males of most species and in the females of one species. Deer are native to all continents except Australia and Antarctica, and many species have been widely introduced beyond their original habitats as game animals. One species, the reindeer, also known as the caribou, has been domesticated. Some swamp and island species are endangered, but most continental species are flourishing under protection and good management. Deer, when granted some protection, readily exploit man-made disturbances caused by agriculture, forestry, and urbanization. White-tailed deer, normally a cherished North American game animal, have even become pests in suburbs and cities in the United States and Canada. Deer are specialized herbivores. They are highly selective feeders on plant food characterized by low fiber. The deer is about 1.1 meters, 43 inches, tall at the shoulder and is characterized by heavy legs, broad hooves, relatively small ears, and a long, bushy tail. The coat is reddish-brown in summer and uniformly grayish-brown in winter. The male has long antlers that fork shortly above the base, the front prong branching once and the rear prong extending backward, unbranched. The only known population of this deer in the 19th century was the herd kept for the Emperor of China in a game park near Beijing. Observations of the deer were made in 1865 by a French missionary, Armand David, and specimens were classified the following year by the French naturalist Henri Milne-Edwards. From 1869 to 1890, several pair David's deer were brought to European zoos. Most of the Chinese herd died in a flood in 1895, and the remaining deer were killed during the Boxer Rebellion, 1900. A breeding population was then established at Woburn Abbey in England under the care of the Duke of Bedford. Deer have several other distinguishing characteristics. All deer lack the gallbladder. Females have 4 teats. Deer may have scent glands on their legs, metatarsal, tarsal, and pedal glands, but they do not have rectal, vulval, or preputal glands. Deer are specialized herbivores, as is reflected in their large and anatomically complex digestive organs, their mobile lips, and the size and complexity of their teeth. However, deer rely little on coarse-fibered grasses, and they have not evolved grazing specializations comparable to those found in bovids. Instead, they are highly selective feeders on young grasses, herbs, lichens, foliage, buds, aquatic plants, woody shoots, fruit, and natural ensilage, that is, plant food characterized by low fiber but high protein content, toxicity, and digestibility.